Okay, well, we got those pieces in there and the screws back in. Again, just make sure everything's not binding up. Should go together real nice, just like you took it apart. When you tighten screws that have multiple screws like this, you want to tighten this one, then the one across from it, then over here, then over here, then over here, and then over here. You don't want to tighten this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, because that can warp. And this will keep everything flat if you go across like this. Okay. So there's the agitator. We got it cleaned up a little bit. Lower agitator goes on the spline. This little cap, some notches that go on there, a little sleeve of some sort. And then the upper agitator, it's got some splines in it. There it is, slid down on there. Now we'll just tighten this bolt or nut, whatever it is in there. Tighten that up. And then, remember, this little cap goes down in there. I put a little spit on my finger and rub it around the edge of this rubber O-ring so it doesn't bind up. Slide down in there. Okay. And then snap our little cap back in place. Top cap. And then another top piece goes on.